Okay, you wouldn't usually have a banana split to start your day, but here, a split banana makes the foundation for a really healthy breakfast. Kristin Andrus is punching up our daily menu with a banana split breakfast. Love the concept of this. I'm not gonna lie, I saw banana split on the schedule next to your name, and I thought, wait a minute, there's gotta be a healthy twist.
I know. Well, actually, someone, when they came in, said, ice cream sundaes, and then they're like, and I said, you just like made my point for me, which is what the segment is about, is that you can make a healthy banana sundae for breakfast. And I would also add for like Sunday, afternoon after church, like a dinner. Oh. I am serving this for my family tonight because I'll show you. It's actually very healthy. It's very filling. I would say like on a Monday morning, this morning, I would not have made this, right? It's a little much to do. But you could do it for like I said, a Sunday or Valentine's Day. Sure. Or something that's maybe on the weekend, like a little bit more special, and you can kind of set it up like
I know
this.
We're gonna get into the details, but just looking at it, I think it has all the makings of a great like bridal shower brunch.
I was totally thinking the same
brunch.
thing, right? I know like, what did the girlfriend Valentine's Day. Like how fun to have your friends over for brunch for that. Totally, you could set up a whole bar with like breakfast items for a shower. I think all of that is a really fun idea.
What goes into our banana split breakfast?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you a couple of options here. What is so great about this, it is completely make your own. And so I'm gonna kind of show you some of the ones that I did, and then we're gonna go over and we're gonna make our own. Okay. So there is no recipe here. This is literally, what do you like? Put it together. I like weird things like peanut butter with oatmeal with berries. Okay. It's almost like, you could think of like a protein shake or something like that, all these random things that go together. But it actually, in an odd way, kind of works. So if we look over here, and you can kind of slice up your bananas different ways. One thing to note, I'm always on that like health kick thing. This is very healthy. Okay, some of these bananas nowadays are like a foot long. So if you have those huge long bananas and you're looking for like a quick breakfast or whatever, I would do half of a banana. Okay. Your kids probably are not gonna do a huge banana. Some of the more like organic ones are smaller, not so big, but nowadays our bananas are like twice, I was looking it up, they're actually like twice as big as they used to be. Oh boy. Which is kind of crazy. Yeah. Anyways, keep in mind portion size. Okay. But for this, I did yogurt, and we'll talk about yogurt, granola, and berries. This one I love. I am a peanut butter lover. Okay. This is just the banana, oatmeal, just normal oats. I had a big thing of oatmeal, which I actually keep in my fridge a lot just to have on hand. Sliced almonds, and then some natural peanut butter, or you could do almond butter. And so much of this stuff, I think you could actually, viewers could have this tonight for dinner or for lunch because everything is actually in their home. They're pantry staples. How did you get the peanut butter drizzled? Okay, that's a really good question. Someone said, did you have a tube or something? And I actually just melted, I got a thing of peanut butter like this. I melted in the microwave, not for very long, maybe 20 seconds. You know what, this has been here. Set up. But it has set. But 20 seconds, peanut butter, it'll drizzle really easily. Same with like the Nutella. We'll talk about doing kind of more of a dessert one. Just heat it for a quick 20 seconds and it'll drizzle. Yeah, it's a pretty presentation. It's really pretty and it's so healthy. We have another one right here, chia seed pudding, which is one of my favorite things. You love your chia seed pudding. I love it. It's yogurt. Anyways, we'll go through that. Pretty darn healthy. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. Coconut flakes and berries. Yeah, exactly. Love it. And like easy, healthy. Okay, I want to talk quickly about yogurt. Yogurt or oatmeal is kind of the staple. So you start with the banana. And then my favorite yogurts, I do mainly Chobani or any kind of, you want to look for plain non-fat. Okay. Now it's a little tart. It takes a little bit of time to get used to. If you can't stomach that, this is like the healthiest yogurt you can ever find, right? There's no sugar, super, like a lot of protein, fiber, really good stuff. It is an acquired taste though, I have to say. It is, but so listen, then because my kids cannot do straight this, right? Right. If you literally just add one spoonful, this is my favorite vanilla Greek yogurt. Okay. If you do like a big heaping or 2, tablespoons of the plain, just add one small scoop of the vanilla, mix it in, and you have plenty of vanilla with a lot less sugar. It sweetens it up for you. It sweetens it up plenty. Okay. So I would suggest doing that. Now this is my chia seed pudding. This is like a whole segment in itself. Every time you post this, your Instagram blows up. You know what? People love it. And this, okay, normally I do almond milk and I add vanilla. Do you know what I did for this one? What? I did what I just said. I did plain Greek yogurt with a little bit of vanilla, chia seeds, which come just like this. Well, what do we love about chia seeds? You know what, you guys, I did this, there's like omega-3s, there's fiber, there's healthy fats, it's just like an all all-around good seed. I don't know.
And they expand? You let
them
soak?
They expand. So then I did this morning, literally 2 hours ago.
Okay.
And look, it's set up. It is so delicious. It tastes a little, you know, vanilla-y. Has a great texture. It's almost like tapioca.
Can I try some?
Yeah, totally. I have a bunch of spoons up here,
you
too.
do? Okay.
Yeah.
I've been wanting
Tell
to
me
try
what you
this.
think.
I see this on your...
And actually, she just told me I had black in my teeth, and it was the chia seeds.
Well,
so good luck there.
Yeah, right. I'm my own troublemaker right now. That's really
Isn't
good.
that good? Like, it's a cool texture, and my kids love it. This morning, my mom's like, I mean, my daughter said, I want the chia seed pudding, and I said, after we can have an after-school snack, and everyone was like, yes.
That's really good. It reminds me of that the tart yogurt stations, right? That were so popular. It kind of has that feel to me.
And you could do pure vanilla yogurt, which would totally work as well.
Okay.
Before we start on our own, another thing is that you can do to make a little bit more of a dessert one to make it more special is a bruleed banana.
Oh, yum.
Now, I did this a couple of hours ago, but you guys, this is the easiest thing. You put out the banana, you put a little bit of brown sugar, you don't even need that much, you put it under the broiler for probably 5 minutes, and it is so yummy. I do brown sugar, but I also add a little bit of cinnamon.
Okay.
And that little bit of cinnamon just makes it delicious.
Sends it over the top. What's this really quickly?
Okay. This is another thing that is so delicious, and this is how I'm gonna make mine. I'm gonna add some of my plain yogurt, and this is lemon curd.
Oh, the Trader Joe's?
Lemon curd, Trader Joe's is amazing. It is so good. You just need a little bit of lemon curd with your yogurt, and it just is so delicious.
Are we ready to go?
Yeah. Okay.
I can't wait.
So make your own.
Okay.
And like I said, I love this because there's no recipe. It's literally how you like it.
Right. Well, Mark and I were just talking over the weekend. We did a nacho bar for
fun.
Super Bowl, right?
Yes.
Super Bowl Sunday. And there's something novel about the build your own idea.
Totally.
It makes the food kind of part of the party, don't you think?
Right. And you're always asking me with my kids, like, are your kids eating this?
Right.
And oftentimes I'll say, well, I'll kind of separate it out for mealtime or whatever it is. This is the exact situation where it is all separate. People can add what they want. You know, some of my kids would add a ton of peanut butter. Some don't want any peanut butter.
Right.
Same if you had girlfriends over, or you know, even for dinner, something like that.
What am I doing? I don't even know. But I'm excited
that looks really good.
about it.
Okay, then another one that I love is just crushed up graham crackers.
Oh.
So I think, I mean, you can be totally creative with that. You can add some granola.
I like how you said too, cut the bananas different ways. It becomes art on your plate.
Right.
You know?
Exactly.
The food becomes art.
Right.
I am into this. Okay, you will get healthy food inspiration like this all the time over on Kristin's Instagram. Where do we find you?
Kristin Andrus.
Great workouts too. Not that we have to burn off our banana, but you know, you're keeping us healthy all around.
Yes,
and we appreciate it. Look
definitely.
for the link to Kristin Andrus' Instagram on our website too, studio5.ksl.com. Thank you so much.
Yes,